Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Tacty 50 two-stroke little scooter. This one is in really good condition, only 2,000 kilometers on the clock in the classic red colour. Probably the best condition one that I have seen come into this country anyway from us. Really beautiful little bike, very small little wheels on it, perfect for the back of a camper, the likes. This has got original Honda badge at the front, original paint, original front carrier, all really good condition as you can see. Apologies for the wind. See at the top, all really nice, plastics on the right hand side, little mark here, and that's just a bit of afters. Here you have the footwell area, all really nice. Exhaust is in good condition. Main scrape on this bike is here on the right hand side, as you can see. Original Honda seat, 1998 bike, original indicators and back light as well. Right hand side, all really tidy. Little mark there, and the scraping on the variator side and a belt side even, I should say. Front rubbers are looking really good though. You can see that the bike has done very few kilometers. As you can see up the top how clear all the plastics are. Glass on the top here, no fading. Original chrome mirrors. Honda seat, no rips or tears. All really good. So that's it for the little Honda Tacty two-stroke 50. Now from the visual inspection we'll move on to the ride-along.
Alright, we're on the Honda Tacty. I just forgot to say in the previous visual inspection there that it actually has electric start. So it's electric start. Let me fix this mirror here before we go out, do our shoulder checks. Not that there's anyone here anyway, but off we go. And first thing to mention on this bike is it will do wheelies. Yes, this little 52 stroke will do wheelies, no problem at all. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do one here. I'll just see. There we go. A little bit of a wheel up off the ground. There we are. And I did do a one that surprised me a bit more than those earlier on, where the wheel was, well, probably as far as he'd ever wanted on this thing up in the air. That saying, she's quick. As you can see, really quick for a little 50. Really nice to have. Little small wheels. I won't take it too hard on the slippery corners here. It's just been raining. Yeah, so Honda Tacty, this one we sold originally from an original shipment. I believe it was shipment 2 from Japan. Let me see. Oh, wow. An indicator would have been actually quite nice there, because I was just about to overtake you and you just went across the whole road. But look at this, up the hill, loads of power. And to remember as well, I'm 6'2", so on this little small bike it's taking quite the load. Not that I'm particularly heavy now, but because I am quite big, so I do look a bit ridiculous on her. Horn works well. Holy crap. Yeah, so she's fast. She's very fast. I think she looks quite odd going this kind of speed. The small little wheels. Plenty of power on her. The engine feels great. Tires feel good considering the conditions that we're in at the minute. Now we're just going to stop up here at the top of the road, turn in left, have a look at what she looks like on the road, get a little picture of her, which I actually forgot to get of the CV125S, as a pity actually. But we'll turn into left here, do a shoulder check before we turn in, and we'll put her up on the stand right here. I'm going to leave that left indicator on because you want to see it in action. There, I'll try to get the handlebar straight, but it is going to be difficult in the wind. that's what she looks like out on the road, on the street. Just get a little picture of her here, and get a HDR on, focus in on her, and bang, that'll do. That's what you guys are going to be clicking on, with a few little things that I add on. Go to the back there, you see the rear left, see the front left, and then the front right here. Here's the front right indicator, the rear right indicator. So everything's working. Front and rear brakes. You do have Tacts, I believe, actually. Well, I think it's taxed anyway. The other bike anyway was taxed at Chally. These two are owned by the same person, this and a Chally 50, and they were both taxed. So I believe this one is taxed also. Not that it's going to cost you an awful lot to tax, at €49 a year. Oh, hey! Good wheelie offer, and we're away. But if you haven't liked the Honda Tacty, actually one last thing, I will link the video, maybe I'll put it up in the top here, of what these bikes are done, what people do with these bikes in America especially. A huge cult following over there, and they make them into kind of these street rider weird things. Really good video though, which I'll try link here at the top right. So if you want to have a look at that and see what you can do with these bikes, have a look. We do have one other bike which is of the same style and two-stroke as well. But anyway, on to the next. If you haven't liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these Honda Tactys, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.